Stir-fried mixed vegetable and mushroom. A simple delicious dish that consists of crunchy sweet baby corn and carrot, shiitake mushrooms, shimeji mushrooms and chili pepper, good for both side dish or entrée. It's full of nutrition, suitable for vegetable lovers. Let's see the ingredients. 150 grams fresh shiitake mushroom or button mushroom, sliced. 150 grams shimeji mushroom. 100 grams baby corn, sliced. 80 grams carrot, cut into stick. 50 grams green chilli, sliced. 5 cloves garlic, chopped. 4 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Instruction. Step 1. Slice shiitake mushroom, thickness 0.5 centimeters. Cut the end part of shimeji mushroom out. Slice baby corn and green chili. Cut carrot into stick, length 3 centimeters, thickness 0.5 centimeters. Step 2. Heat the vegetable oil in a pot over medium heat. Add the garlic and cook until just starting to color. Add carrot, stir for 1 minute, then add shiitake mushroom, shimeji mushroom and baby corn, stir fried for 3 minutes or until the vegetable is almost cooked. Add green chili, stir for another 1 minute, add season with oyster sauce and black pepper powder. Step 3. Transfer to a serving plate. It's done. It's really yummy. How about nutritional value? Shall we start with baby corn? Baby corn is very nutritious. It consists of carbohydrates, beta-carotene, vitamin C, calcium, dietary fiber, phosphorus, which is a compound with calcium for the formation of bones and teeth, help the milk in breastfeeding flow normally, build muscle tissue, and combined with other elements to maintain the acid-base balance in the body. Black pepper helps to eliminate bad fat, reduces clogging of the blood vessels, reduces mucus resulting in better breathing, stimulating immune system, nourishing the health of diabetic patients, and brightening their emotion. Fresh shiitake mushrooms help stimulate the immune system, reducing blood cholesterol levels and strengthen bones. Shimeji mushrooms support the work of the heart nervous system, enhance immunity, maintain blood sugar level. Carrots nourish the skin to be bright and radiant, prevent skin cells from being easily damaged by pollution and sunlight, helps to strengthen the growth of the body, bones, teeth, gums and nails, contains antioxidant which helps in anti-aging and the formation of wrinkles. Oyster sauce has a high nutritional value, especially vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin D, iron, copper, iodine, zinc, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, etc. Soy sauce contains soy protein, high in vitamin, mineral and good fat. Soybean oil can lower cholesterol levels, prevent mass bone loss and providing omega-3 fatty acids. In each meal, we should know whether our body gets sufficient nutrients. It is important because good nutritional diet helps strengthen the body immune system. Immune system will prevent the occurrence of disease and illness. Thus eating healthy food play an important role in for living lifestyle. Don't forget. Let food be the medicine, let medicine be the food. See you next EP. If you like our recipe, please click subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you.